Welcome to DNA's Birding Adventures. This is our final video in the Lower Rio Grande Valley. We're going to be looking for parrots today at Edinburgh, Scenic Wetlands and World Birding Center, Hidalgo Water Pump, and McAllen. We've had a great 5 days at the Alamo Inn. They're an excellent place and designed for birders, and a great place to wagon wheel out. We started our journey at Santa Ana National Wildlife Refuge. Then the next day we headed west to Salineno Wildlife Refuge, Falcon Lake, Santa Margarita Ranch to look for some rare birds and owls. We actually got 3 owls. Then the next day, the next video, we started in San Juan Wetlands, then headed west to the beach, went to South Padre Island Birding and Nature Center, Zapata boat ramp for some shorebirds. And today we're caught up. We're starting at Hidalgo Water Pump, up to Edinburgh, then to McAllen to look for some parrots. That's this video. We'll have our 2024 totals at the end, as well as some of my favorite pictures that Dave took. Hidalgo, Texas has, I think, the world's largest killer bee. Yikes! We just drove around Hidalgo, Texas and found some parakeet roosts. Oh. We're in Hidalgo, Texas, and there's a monk parakeet roost. They're loud. They're all over the trees in the neighborhood. We're just kind of in the middle of town. Dave and I have both seen the monk parakeets before, thriving. They're in South Texas, Florida, and a few other places in our country. Nice populations of breeding pairs. They must have gotten loose and are happier probably in the wild. When checking Merlin this morning, these were all the parrots and parakeets that were spotted in the area. Doves and monks. And a rooster. Wow, the cell tower houses a monk parakeet roost too. Green parakeets are here too. These pictures are from our trip to Brownsville in March of 2023. Next stop, Old Hidalgo Pumphouse Museum and World Birding Center. Oh yeah. We're at Hidalgo World Birding Center, and there's a muscovy duck in the little pond. Hey, buddy. This is the old pump house. They got water from the Rio Grande. Northern mockingbird and a kiskadee. Everybody's upset because we're here. It's a nice little picnic area over there. Oh, interesting. Oh, wow. Really? Where? Ah. Dave spotted the clay-colored thrush in there. There's a black phoebe on top of that little electrical box. You can barely see it. A little amphitheater. Saw a belted kingfisher. This is the Channel Observation Deck. So this channel goes out to the Rio Grande. They just brought it in for water. Just a belted kingfisher. We're always hoping for the ringed or the green here in the Lower Rio Grande Valley. Looks like we'll need to come back and explore this area some more. We were just here for a short time, 15 birds altogether. We were anxious to get to Edinburgh World Birding Center, right in town. Pretty full parking lot this Saturday at the Edinburgh Scenic Wetlands and World Birding Center. Woohoo! Your birds already. Oh. This is just beautiful in here. And little trails through the hedges. Wow. There's a visitor center. Okay, admission for Edinburgh World Birding Center, $3. In the visitor center they have this humongous, maybe the world's largest great blue heron. We just saw the largest killer bee, so why not? It's really nice. We're heading out into the jungle. They have a lot of oranges out for the orioles and different birds. Huh. Inca doves. Oh yeah. There's just butterflies everywhere. The water seems high. We just saw a green kingfisher fly by. Oh, it's very nice in here. Nice little lily pond in here. Lots of butterflies and a waterfall. All great birding spots have water. Just got the ladderback woodpecker butterflies everywhere in here. Oh, they like these bishop caps. So many butterflies. The zebra. Little mayfly. Right there. We're gonna see if we can find the green jay again, or the green kingfisher again.
I don't know how many birds we got there yesterday.
Those are already ducks?
Yeah.
American coots. I think we've seen a spotted sandpiper every place we've been. Even on the Continental Divide in Colorado. They're everywhere. Just a roost of snowy egrets over in there. Huh. Diamondback water snake habitat. It's a great waterway right here.
feeding. Well, actually there's a common gallinule right behind him. Yeah.
Mottled or Mexican duck? They overlap here. What's your thoughts?
Yellow rump warbler. Oh, you can see his yellow rump. There's so many yellow rump warblers in here. And we also just saw a black-crowned night heron and a green heron in here, as well as 2 kiskadees. Those are a pair of blue-winged teals. Northern mockingbird on the cactus. Ruby-crowned kinglet in there. Oh, finally, look at that. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he is. Way back in there. See, look at that.
These birds are so difficult to videotape and photograph. Dave did a great job here. They are also found in continental United States, including Mexico and Canada.
Yeah, I see him. What? The curve-billed and the long-billed are in the same tree? Great kiskadee. There's the blue-gray gnatcatcher. Inca doves. Right on the trail. Oh. The mockingbird came in and pushed out the northern cardinal and said, "My turn, you leave." Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Finally got a picture. A mud bath. Come closer. The dirt's better over here. Now it's the Inca dove's turn to get some water. Cardinal calling. Black and white warbler.
It was nice to get the black and white warbler. We don't get them very often in Colorado. They do migrate through, but are mostly east of us.
Ruby crowned kinglet. She saw the black and white warbler at least flycatcher, white-tipped dove,
And a Wilson's warbler. There were so many birds at this water feature. We stayed there for about an hour.
That's the cutest little picnic table, acorn chairs, and then whatever this is, and a bunch of house sparrows calling. Really pretty up in here. Warbler in there. Turn around.
Okay, orange crown warbler. It's so difficult to identify these sometimes. They do have the striping on their chests, but they are different colors depending on the region and the time of year. Immature females are different as well. Has anybody seen the orange crown? Dave got a picture of one once.
It's an old bird blind. And little chipping noises of the yellow rump warblers. Hasn't been used for a while. Great spot for bringing your family. House sparrow. It's pretty wooded. Oh yeah, they have a little water running feeder. The feeders are over there. And then, hi. We're gonna walk through the hedges with lots of stuff hiding in there. And there's a chakalaka way in there. Two. Good hiding place. Don't move. Hi there. Oh, you're so cute. Here's your buddy. Which way? That way? That way? That way? That's amazing. And all the birds are just tucked in these little areas. Whistling ducks, great egret. Saw Phoebe in there. And the hawk sitting over there. There's banding on the tail.
We're pretty sure this is the red-shouldered hawk. Let us know if you think otherwise.
Oh no, it is a red shoulder. You're right.
Nice.
We were just so impressed with this 40-acre Edinburgh Scenic Wetlands and World Birding Center. 40 acres right in town with a whopping 31 bird species in just a little bit. We're hungry. We're going to lunch in McAllen.
University Draft House. We're gonna stake out some parrots this afternoon, so we figure we might as well get some grub first. It is good. And look at this. There's birds out there.
It was delicious and right by Fireman's Park. It's parrot time. This is the spot where the parrots fly through and roost for the evening.
Go get him.
Somebody's feeding the ducks, even though you're not supposed to feed the ducks. We took advantage of some bird watching while we were waiting for the parrots to fly in at sunset, and these great-tailed grackles took advantage of a bath. It was strange seeing this greater white-fronted goose here. It must be injured. And then it happened. These red-crowned Amazon parrots flew over, trying to find their roost for the evening. They roost in just a few blocks from this park, so you can find them in a few different places. Oh my goodness. Their numbers were just incredible, 250 to 300, and they're thriving here in McAllen, Texas. Oh my gosh, it's so loud.
There's yellow-headed.
The last time we saw the red-crowned Amazons were in Sable Palms by Brownsville, Texas, and they're normally from Mexico. In just this little purple area, this is a map from Merlin. Wow. I don't know where they're going. Oh my goodness. There's actually even more over there. I can hear them. They're beautiful green with red on their forecrown, and they also have a little red patch on the back of their wing and an ivory beak. This was definitely a pair. Just beautiful. Then we saw the yellow-headed Amazon, also from Mexico, but it looks like there were 5 or 6 here. Oh, there's the double yellow-headed ones. Oh my goodness. Live bird and new bird for 2024. A huge shout out to Alamo Inn Bed and Breakfast and their staff for excellent accommodations. We're heading home. We got a couple live birds at the Town Lake in Fireman's Park, McAllen, Texas, and 3 new birds for 2024. Our 5 days in the Lower Rio Grande Valley did not disappoint. These are some of the favorite photos that Dave took. We hope you enjoy it. Let us know which pictures are your favorites. The brown jay picture isn't great, but it was quite a find. Here are the totals. Drum roll, please. We got 36 new birds for our 2024 list and 8 life birds. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing to DNA's Birding Adventures. Until next time, happy trails to you.